Hello vlog! Welcome to my guys!
In this night of starry sky.
Tasty! Hello guys! So today we're going to Hello guys! So we're going Hello guys! So today we're going
10 years later.
Hello guys! So today we're going to try the Danao street food.
Not bad, but not good.
Yeah.
Hello guys! So today we're going to try the Danao street food.
Kimi no naka ni aru aka to aoki semo, sorera ga musubareru no wa shinnozo.
Hello, I'm Arian, and I'm here in Danao City, near at the church. Danao's oldest church, Santo Tomas de Villanueva Parish. So I'm here to test 3 street foods. After that, I'm going to rate it one by one. So let's go! First target, siomai.
So this is siomai, and let's taste it. Tasty. So good.
Second target, blue lemonade.
It's called Blue Lemonade, and it's so refreshing. Then it's so tasty.
Third target, isaw.
is one of the Danao street food. So let's taste it. So good.
2 hours later.
So now let's rate the Danao street food. So siomai is 10/10. Then isaw or fried intestine is 6/10.
Flashback.